Ah, yes. So in the advisor world in New Zealand, I guess, I think I'm told about 90% of mortgage advisors come from a banking background. And therefore, they were trained and maybe in some ways indoctrinated with, you've got to put rate first. You've got to do this, you've got to do that. And so they're what I call a GP. A general practitioner as an advisor, and there's nothing wrong with that. However, if you or I go to our GP and they go, everything's fine, hunky-dory, that's it, lovely. If, however, there's a problem, what do? They refer you to a specialist. And that's where we see ourselves in the marketplace. We are the specialist in non-bank, in alternative funding,